Welcome to my channel, Bojulano Hobbyist here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or disassemble the rear brake shoes of a Toyota Wish. But before we start, if this video helps you out, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also have more content about the Toyota Wish and other cars. Check out the playlist in the description. Let's get started. First, we will remove the brake drum. Most Toyota vehicles use an M8 by 1.25mm bolt to remove the brake drum. Use the appropriate tools depending on the bolt you have. Right now, I am using an impact drill with a bit and an Allen key. Once you've removed the brake drum, take a photo of the setup for reference. Do not remove the other rear brake assembly. This way, you'll have an additional reference if you need it later. Before removing any parts, let's familiarize ourselves with the components. First is the wheel cylinder, the shoe hold-down springs, brake shoes, return spring, adjuster assembly, adjuster lever spring, anchor spring, parking brake lever, parking brake cable. Now, grab a vice grip or a spring remover and start by removing the return spring. Next, take off the hold-on springs using nose plier. Turn the holder either way until it unlocks. Be careful. Hold the spring holder firmly to prevent it from popping out like what happened here. On the opposite side, I am holding the back while slightly turning the spring holder. This helps keep it in place and avoids it from popping off unexpectedly. Now, carefully remove the brake shoes, along with the return spring, adjuster assembly, anchor spring, and finally the parking brake lever. Thanks for watching. Please support the channel by sharing this video. It really helps me reach more people.